Okay, again this is subtraction, but today we will learn how to subtract numbers, how to subtract a 2-digit number from a 2-digit number with regrouping. Regrouping means when we take borrow, okay. So now you all know that whenever we start subtracting a number, we always start subtracting the number in ones place first. The number in ones place first, right? That is correct. So now see here, children, look in your book. Your first bit is 54 minus 22. Read this question, children. First one is 54 minus 22. So now from this 54 you have to subtract 22. So now first you have to see what do you have in ones place and what do you have in tens place. Now if you look here, children, in ones place you have your first number is 4 and next number is 2. So from this 4, I am moving my cursor, you all can see. From this 4 you have to take away 2. You have to take away 2. So now you have to tell that 4 minus 2 is how much? Right? So you need to take out 4 fingers, and from those fingers you have to remove 2. You have to remove 2 fingers. Lohit, pay attention. So if from 4 you will remove 2 or you will take away 2, how many fingers will be left? 2 fingers will be left. So 4 minus 2 is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. Now we will come to number in tens place. In tens place we have 5 and 2. So from 5 you have to take away 2. You have to take away 2. What is this number? 5 minus 2. So from 5 you have to take away 2. So take out your 5 fingers. From 5 you have to take away 2. How many fingers will be left? 3 fingers will be left. So this is 3 to 32. Answer is 3 to 32. Okay. Fine. So 4 minus 2 is 2 and 5 minus 2 is 3. So answer for first bit is 32. Aniksai. Aniksai.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me answer for second bit, Aniksai. 9 minus 7 is, first read the question. This is 79.
79, 37.
No, who will read the symbol?
Minus symbol, ma'am.
Yeah, 79 minus
37.
Yes, now tell me 9 minus 7 is how much? From take out your 9 fingers and remove 7 fingers from those 9 fingers. Yes, children, keep on doing this. 9 minus 7 is how much, Anik?
7. 2, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. 2. So in ones place, children, we will write 2 because 9 minus 7 is 2. Okay, Anik, now tell me in tens place, what are the numbers?
7 and 3.
7 and 3. Very good. So now from 7, take away?
3.
Yeah, tell me how much? Children, keep on writing answers. Yes, Anik, how much?
8.
Huh? 7 minus 3 is how much?
9, ma'am.
No, wrong. From 7 fingers, you have to remove 3 fingers.
2 fingers is 7.
Take out your 7 fingers and take away 3 fingers from those 7 fingers and tell me how many are left.
2.
No. Anik, turn on your camera. Quickly. Anik, show me your 7 fingers. Show your 7 fingers. Anik, I am unable to see. Keep your camera, mobile phone, whatever it is properly so that I can see your fingers.
Laptop, ma'am.
Huh?
It's laptop.
Okay, fine. Then you sit properly and show me quickly. 7 minus 3. Show your 7 fingers.
7 fingers, ma'am.
Anika, I'm unable to see. Take out your 7 fingers and those and yeah. Now show your 7 fingers.
5 and 2.
Yeah. 5. Show quickly.
5 and 2.
Count and then take out, Anik.
Then we take off this. Okay. 4. 4, ma'am.
Yeah, now it's correct. 4. 7 minus 3 is 4. 7 minus 3 is 4. Now it's correct. So answer for second bit is 42. 42. Now see your children, see the third bit. Next number is 83 minus 54. So from 83 you have to take away 54. Now the thing is, in one's place you have here number 3 and 4, but you cannot take away 4 from 3 as 3 is smaller than 4. Okay, you cannot take away 4 from 3 as 3 is smaller than 4. So what you will do, you will take borrow. You will take borrow. You will borrow 110 from the number in tens place. So now in tens place we have here number 8. What is the number in tens place? Number is 8. So we will cut this 8 and we will take borrow from this 8. So when we will take 110 borrow from this 8, this 8 will become 7. Okay. Why we are taking borrow from the number in tens place? Because 3 is smaller than 4 and we cannot take away 4 from 3. That's why we are taking 110 borrow from the number in tens place, and the number in tens place is 8. So now if we'll take 110 borrow from this 8, this number will become 1 less. And what is the number 1 less than 8? You have to think of the number which comes just before 8, and that number is 7. So this 8 will become 7. And you will cut this 3 in one's place. And what this 3 will become? This 3 will become 13. This 3 will become 13. So now why this 3 will become 13 in one's place, children? Because we took 110 borrow from this tens place, and 10 plus 1 is 10 plus 3 is 13. So we will cut this 3 and it will become 13. Now you have to take away 4 from this 13. Okay, so now you have to take away 4 from this 13. Now start counting after number 4 and count till number 13. Start counting after 4 and count till 13. So now if you will count after 4, when you will start counting, you have to take out your fingers also. Then, so what you will get? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So how many fingers? 9 fingers. So 13 minus 4 is 9. 13 minus 4 is 9. So you will write 9 in ones place. Now you have to come to the number in tens place. In tens place now number is 7 and 5. So now from 5 you have to take away 7. So 7 minus 5 is you have to take out 7 fingers, and from those 7 fingers you have to take away 5 fingers. So you will get 2. So answer is 29. Answer is 29, children. Okay. So this was your third bit. Yes, Akshay, tell me what is your doubt?
Ma'am, I finished the whole page, ma'am.
Oh, that's very good, Akshat. Very good. Yes, done. Now we'll come to fourth bit. Now see here children, in fourth bit number is 41 minus 36. 41 minus 36. Now you have to see what are the number in ones place. Now if you will see properly, in ones place you have number 1 and 6. You have to take away this 6 from 1, but you cannot take away this 6 from 1 because 1 is smaller than 6. 1 is smaller than 6. So now what you will do? You will take 110 borrow from the number in tens place. 110 borrow from the number in tens place. Now what is the number in tens place? The number in tens place is 4 here. So you will cut this 4 and this 4 will become one number less. That is the number which comes just before 4, and that is 3. So this 4 will become 3 as we are taking 110 borrow from this 4. And now you will cut this 1 in ones place, and now this 1 will become 11. This one will become now 11. Okay, as we took 110 borrow, so 10 plus 1 is 11. This one will become 11 here. Now what are the number in ones place? Number in ones place are 11 and 6. Now you have to take away this 6 from 11. So again, now what you will do? You will start counting after 6 and you will count till 11. You will start counting after 6 and you will count till 11. So now start counting after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 minus 6 is 5. You will start counting after 6 and count till number 11. So 11 minus 6 is 5. And now what is the number in tens place? Tens place numbers are 3 and 3. And children, remember this thing, whenever you are subtracting the same numbers, answer will be 0. So in tens place you have your number 3 and 3. So answer is 0. Answer is 0. Okay. Yes. Write down the answer fast. Ashrita. Ashrita. Ashrita, now see, now tell me answer for bit number this 5. 91 minus 73. Tell me what is the number in ones place, Ashrita?
3.
Huh?
1, ma'am. 1. 1 in one's place.
1 in one's place, and below this 1, what is the number?
3.
3. Now tell me, Ashrita, can we take away 3 from 1? Is it possible?
No, ma'am.
So what we will do?
Borrow.
From where?
From 9.
From 9. That is correct. So tell me what this 9 will become now. We will cut this 9 and what this 9 will become?
8.
9 will become 8. Very good. And what this 1 will become?
11.
Very good, Ashrita. This 1 will become 11. Children, you have to show this cutting, everything. Borrowing also you have to show. Okay, Ashrita, now tell me 11 minus 3 is how much?
8.
Very good. 11 minus 3 is 8. And in tens place, 8 minus 7 is?
1.
Very good. Good girl. That's the correct answer. So, answer is 18. Answer is 18. Dhriti Reddy?
11. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Dhriti, now tell me answer for next bit. First read the question.
66 minus 38.
Now tell me, very good, what is the number in ones place? What is the first number?
6.
6. And below that 6, what is the number?
8.
8. So now tell me, can you take away 8 from 6? Is it possible?
No.
So what we will do?
Borrow.
From where?
6.
From the 6 in tens place. So now I am cutting this 6. Dhriti, now tell me what this 6 will become.
5.
Very good. This 6 will become 5. And what that 6 will become in ones place?
16.
Very good. This 6 will become 16. Now tell me, Dhriti, 16 minus 8 is how much?
16 minus 8.
Start counting.
28.
Huh?
28.
No, Dhriti. You have to do subtraction. Start counting after 8 and count till 16.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 8.
Very good. 8. Answer is 8. We will write 8 in ones place. And now tell me in tens place, what shall we write? 5 minus 3 is?
2.
Very good. Very good, Dhriti. Very good. And children, please keep on writing answers also in your book. And this is your course book. Yeah, this is the correct answer. Answer is 2, 8, 28. Ashrit? Ashrit? Yeah, now tell me answer for next bit, Ashrit. First read this question.
Where is it? It's come in black skin.
Huh?
It's come in black skin.
Ashrit, then there must be problem. There must be some network issue from your side because other children, they can see.
Ma'am, I'm seeing network problem.
Can you see now?
Network problem is okay.
Okay, you try to do it from your yourself. Fine. Okay. So now next is 72 minus 32. 72 minus 32. Shreyas, tell me answer for this bit. 72 minus 32. What shall we write in ones place? 2 minus 2 is?
0.
Very good. And now what is the number in tens place? What is the first number in tens place?
7.
7. And next number is?
3.
3. So now tell me 7 minus 3 is how much?
4 after 4.
4.
5.
7.
4.
Shreyas, take out your 7 fingers first. And from those 7 fingers, take away 3 fingers. Quickly.
3 Kajesh.
And now tell.
4.
Yeah, now it is correct. It is 40. Answer is 40. Yes, Ashrit. Ashrit, unmute yourself first.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, I cannot see in screen anything. You can share again.
Ashrit, question. This is page number 4 of math course book.
Ma'am, we can't see your screen, ma'am. Please share it again. ma'am.
Anish, there must be some network issue from your side because other children, they can see what I'm sharing.
Ma'am, everything is done, ma'am. Please share it again, ma'am. Sorry for
This
disturbance.
is question number 8. 93 minus 52.
Okay. ma'am.
This is
Ah,
bit
okay,
8.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am. He's doing.
Okay, Ashrit, now tell me what is the number in ones place? First number. Ashrit, you need to unmute yourself. Lohit, you tell me what is the number in ones place? What is that first number? Lohit?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Lohit, tell me what are the number in ones place? What is the first number? 3 and then
Two.
2. So now take out your 3 fingers and take away 2 fingers.
One.
Yeah. So 3 minus 2 is 1. Now next number is 9 minus.
Five.
Yes. Tell me 9 minus 5 is how much? Quickly.
Four.
Yeah. So 9 minus 5 is 4. That's the correct answer. This is 41. Answer is 41. Okay, children. So now I am clearing all this. I hope you all have done till here. Okay. And now we'll do the remaining questions quickly. Akshaya Lakshmi, unmute yourself. Yeah, Akshaya, now tell me answer for this. First read the question. What is this question?
Two minus 9.
No. 22.
Ma'am, 12. Two before.
First read the
One.
Akshay, you need to read the question first. What is the question? 22
Plus 9
plus.
minus 9.
Yeah. So now tell me, is it possible to take away 9 from 2?
No.
So what we will do?
Carry forward.
No, that is borrow. What is that?
Borrow.
Borrow. So we will take borrow from this 2 in tens place. We will take borrow 110 borrow from this 2 in tens place. So this 2 will become
1.
good. And now what this 2 will become in ones place?
1.
No. Not 1. This 2 will become 12. We will put 1. So this 2 will become 12. Now,
12.
Akshaya, tell me 12 minus 9 is how much?
3.
3. Very good. So we will write 3 here in ones place. And here this 1 will come.
As it is in 1.
This 1 will come as it is in tens place. Okay, so the answer is 13. Answer is 13. Vyomkeshwar, unmute yourself. Vyom, AVK, yeah. Now, read this question, AVK Ganesh. Read the question.
In tens place.
Huh?
60, 33.
60 minus 33. You have to read this minus symbol also. This is 60 minus 33. Now tell me, AVK Ganesh, is it possible to take away 3 from the 0?
No.
So what we will do?
We will take 1 in for 6.
Okay, so we will take 110 borrow from this 6. We will cut this 6 and this 6 will become?
6 will become 7.
No. You have to think of the number which comes just before 6. What comes just before 6? Previous number.
8.
Wrong. 5. 5 comes just before 6. So the 6 will become 5. And what the 0 will become?
1. 10.
Yeah, the 0 will become 10. Okay, so now you have to take away 3 from this 10. Start counting after 3 and count till 10. Yes, Vikeshwar, tell me fast. After 3, start counting after 3. Huh?
8.
Wrong. After 3, what comes after 3? Start counting after 3.
5.
Yes, I'm waiting.
10.
Huh?
10 is 10.
Yes, 10 minus 3 is
10 minus
10 minus 3 is 7. If you will start counting after 3, you will count. After 3 comes 4. So from 4, you have to count till 10. So 10 minus 3 is 7. Okay, and Vyomkeshwar, 5 minus 3 is how much? Take out your 5 fingers and take away 3 fingers from those 5 fingers.
2.
Yeah, so 5 minus 3 is 2. So answer is 27. Answer is 27. Kushal, Sanjay, now tell me answer for this bit. Read this question quickly.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, this is
4 minus 8.
wrong. You have to read the number in ones and tens place together. This is
8.
no. Read this complete question. What is this? 6 and 4 together will make
64.
yeah 64 minus
8.
yeah. Now tell me, is it possible to take away 8 from 6? Is it possible?
No, ma'am.
What we will do?
We will cut 4.
Okay, but before cutting that 4, we have to cut this 6. We will cut this 6 and this 6 will become
Become 5.
this 6 will become 5 as we are taking 110 borrow from the number in tens place, and the number in tens place is 6, so 6 will become 5 and this 4 will become
This 4 will become 3.
no. We are taking
5.
1 huh?
This 4 will become 5.
Wrong. We are taking 110 borrow from the number in tens place. So this 4 will become 14. Why this 4 will become 14? Because we are taking 110 borrow and 10 plus 4 is 14. Or another way is that you can remember one thing. What else you can do is you have to write this number 4 as it is and whatever the number here, and you just put 1 before that number. So this number will become 1 4 14. Now from this 14 you have to take away 8. So start counting after 8 and you have to count till 14. Now tell me, Kushal, 14 minus 8 is how much?
14.
Start counting after 8
After 8.
and count till 14.
8.
Not 8, 9. Start from 9.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
Wrong,
16, 17.
Kushal. You have to start counting after 8 and you have to count till this number. This number is 14. Till 14 you have to count. Now start quickly. This is, you have to start counting after 8. So 9, take out your fingers, Kushal. 9, then
9,
9,
9,
10,
10, 11,
take
12,
out. Don't close your fingers,
13.
Kushal. This is the wrong way. I said start counting after 8. After 8, what comes? What comes just after 8?
9,
Start counting from
9,
9.
10, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Wrong, wrong, wrong. This is wrong. Stop, Kushal. Keep your finger. Now, say 9 and then take out your finger because after 8 comes 9. Take out your one finger.
One finger.
Yeah, now it's 9. Then now count 10. Take out another finger.
10,
Why are you
10,
closing your fingers? Yeah, 11.
11,
Then
12,
13
13,
and 14.
14.
We'll count till 14 only. Yeah, now tell how many fingers?
Mm,
How many fingers?
6.
Yeah, so 14 minus 8 is 6. And this 5 will come as it is, as there is no other number in tens place. So this is 5, 6, 56. This is 5, 6, 56. Advaita, you tell me answer for the last bit quickly.
Come on, unmute.
95 minus 38. Quickly, we don't have much time, only 1 minute. This is 95 minus 38. So, Advaita, is it possible to take away 8 from 5? Unmute yourself, Advaita.
Unmute. Ah, say. Ones place. What is
Possible
in
to take
numbers?
away 8 from 5, Advaita?
No, ma'am.
What we will do?
Borrow
From?
from 9,
So, we will cut this 9. This 9 will become?
8,
Very good. So, this 9 will become 8. And what we will write in place of this 5? We will cut this 5 and 5 will become
15.
15. Very good. Very good. So now tell me 15 minus 8 is how much, Advaita? Start now.
7.
Very good. 7. And 8 minus 3 is?
5.
8 minus 3 is 5. So answer is 57. Very good. Answer is 57. Okay, children. So now this is all for today.